project, I decided to mimic a library, essentially. So basically have standard users who can check in and check out books, and then you have a librarian or multiple librarians that can add books, genres, authors, and edit them, but they cannot check out books. So this is the home page. If we wanted to, we could log in. I also did login integration with Google, so that's what I'm going to do. I've already set up my account so that I'm a librarian. You can see here I have this librarian's functions. This is kind of standard user stuff, so you can view the books. I've seeded the database with a bunch of books already. Kind of check out, and you can view the different books and see, is it available for checkout? Yes, it is. But as a librarian, again, I can't check it out, but I can edit the book. That'll take us to the edit page, and maybe we'll change the author, or the genre. So yeah. But let's say we wanted to, add an author. We have these, but I want to add Dr. Seuss. Oop. So let's see, Dr. Seuss. He's dead, so we'll check that box. We'll submit that. So now he's in there, and let's go ahead and add a genre to make it children's. Okay. And so then if we went to add the book, say The Cat in the Hat. Alright, we'll say Dr. Seuss, genre, we'll say children, submit book. So now we can see that's added. If we were to view all the books, there it is. One thing we can do too, we can view all the authors. If we wanted to see all the books, say by J.K. Rowling, we could, all the Harry Potter books, and the genre is listed there too. It kind of works the same way. If we wanted to see all the books that are in the genre of fantasy, we could. And then you see it added kind of Lord of the Rings there as well. So that's kind of basic overview of librarian function, right? So let's see a standard user. So we'll create a user. We'll say Tom Hanks. Let's do this. So if we want to just kind of look at error validations, they have to be a certain length and everything. It won't let us create the user. So the name's too short, it has to be 5 characters. Email has to actually resemble an email address. The password has to be a minimum of 8 characters. So knowing all that, we'll create a real user this time. Make his password Castaway. Cool. Okay, so we'll sign up. Excuse me. So he signed up, and we have the option to change the password. It's going to ask you to put in a current password, new password, and confirm that. We can go ahead and do that just to show you. So his current password was Castaway. Let's make new one Forrest Gump. Alright, change password. That's all done. If we log out and try to log in with say we try to log in with Castaway again, incorrect username and password. So say Forrest Gump. Okay, so we're there. Now, as a standard user, we don't have the librarian functions. You can see those are gone. But we can view the books here, and when we go to actually view a book, say we want to view A Christmas Carol, we have the option to check it out now. So if we check this out, we have the option to add a comment if we want to. This is not mandatory, but ready for the holidays. But that'll get logged in with the checkout information. So we check that out, and now we can see in our books we have A Christmas Carol. It's checked out to us. Is it overdue? No, because the due date's on the 23rd. So I set the due date 14 days from when it's checked out. Now here, I'll edit the source code real quick just to show you what it looks like if it were to be overdue. We'll make this due yesterday. So sorry about that syntax. Okay, so yesterday, yes, it's overdue. So alright, so we'll change this back. Oh, actually, you know what, before we change that back, let's do this too. As a librarian, you can view overdue books. So when I go say Christmas Carol, Charles, this book's overdue, Tom Hanks has it, we need to go on Tom Hanks about returning that book. Okay, so anyways, yeah, that's just kind of overview there of that. So right, change this back to 14 days. It's no longer overdue. Log out, log in. Excuse me. So again, we can view all these books. We can check out multiple books. Again, we don't have to add comments. It gets added there. There we go. Let's check out another book. Say Hamlet. Check it out. And now we can see, we have some books. We've checked them all out today, so they're due 23rd. I'm done reading The Christmas Carol. I want to go ahead and turn it back in. So, from here, instead of seeing check out, now I have check in. So if we check that in, it's no longer checked out to us. We can go back to the books and we can see that yes, it's available again. Another user could check it out if they wanted to. So yeah, that's just kind of the general overview of the application. Yeah.